Hi there and welcome to another week. Are you tired of boring diet foods that leave you unsatisfied? Do you want to say goodbye to the same old grilled chicken and steamed vegetables because it's time to add some excitement to your diet? You need to start planning delicious and exciting foods that will make you look forward to mealtime, and it's not just about colourful, flavourful salads and mouth-watering smoothie bowls, good as they are. Eating healthy has never been as tasty as it can be. Forget about feeling deprived or restricted. With planning these diet foods, you can indulge in guilt-free trips that will satisfy your cravings and keep you on track towards your health goals. Stay tuned, I'll tell you how I manage and what got me started. Also coming up, as is usual in my diaries, I'll fill you in on how I've done this week, but I'm going to be a little bit sneaky, I'm going to leave it till later, so you stay watching for longer. So who says dieting has to be boring? With a little bit of creativity and some inspiration, you can turn your meals into a culinary adventure. And the thing is that you can make it the sort of food you want to eat. There's no need to restrict yourself. If you're a fish and chips type person, there's a way you can do that and still stay on track. And I'm going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to flash up some pictures now of some of the meals I've had over the last year. And you'll see they're not diet food. There's not a bloody bit of kale in sight. Well, I think there is on one of them. And it's all about planning in advance. Now, as you know, I use my Fitness Pal, and it's been a godsend. You know how many calories you've got left for tea time. I don't always plan it the day before. Sometimes I plan it on the hoof. And you just enter what you're about to eat. You know how many calories you've got left, and you make it fit. Now, 150 gram of steak is not a ridiculous amount of calories. You can have air fried chips if you like them, or you can just buy frozen chips, frozen fries. A reasonable 6 ounce or 150 gram portion of some French fries is under 200 calories. Rice, 60 gram is enough for most people, that's under 200 calories. Pasta, 70 grams is enough with other things, that's under 200, that's around about 200 calories. What I'm saying is the foods that you like are not bad, they aren't the problem. Your problem is the foods that you overindulge on. Now, for me, it always used to be Snickers bars and junk I picked up at the garage. I couldn't drive past Greg's, so I've just made different choices now. For example, we all know that I'm a big fan of overnight oats because they keep you full, and it's all about planning your protein around. It's all about planning your food around what you want for your goals for the day. At the moment, I'm on a bit of a high protein kick, which is my thing at the moment because I'm going to the gym. So anyway, let's do the numbers. I'm going to keep it short this week because I've got loads of other stuff on. I maintained. So what? I'm down to 15 stone. It's still a bit heavy, but it's as low as I've been in the last couple of years. And I know I've gone a little bit off track the last few weeks. But I'm not beating myself up. It's not a race. It's a journey. And hopefully next week might be a bit better. And that could be because I've been a little bit better with my calories this week. My deficit was 2,519. I know I usually aim for 3,000, but I know what I've been eating has been clean food, it's been good food, which gives me a daily average of 1,740. Now, my maintenance calories are 2,100, so I'm getting on for 400 below that. It's not great, but it's where I'm at the moment. I am going to get more in the zone. But as you can see from the pictures on the thumbnail, I've lost a lot of weight. The losses are going to be small. But hey ho, that's just how it goes. With regard to the channel, last week's video has had my most hits in the first week as any of the others. So I'm happy with that. And also one from 2 weeks ago is also getting on for close to 200 views. Wow. But the way to keep it growing is to keep watching. And obviously comment, like and subscribe, and as you can see from any of my comments on the others, I always respond. So keep on tuning in, keep an eye on my new videos. I've got a few coming out this week. I keep saying that, but they are actually nearly ready to hit play. So with that in mind, I'm going to sign off, and I'm happy with that.